welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. And in today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the different ways, you can make money online as being an artist or a creative entrepreneur or print on demand seller, whatever it is. So I'm going to share my own experience of how I am making money as by the different avenues as being a designer, artist, and yeah. So I'm going to be covering about these things in this video. So consider clicking the like button guys before going to the good part. And also if you want the free guides, the free graphics, the free creative material for getting started with your own online business, and I have the bunch of the free stuff. The link is in the description box below. You can download them completely for free and can use them. Now let's get straight with the main part. Let me talk about some of the different ways in which you can make money online. And we're just not gonna be talking about this service-based business or e-commerce. No, I'm just gonna give you some branch of the different business ideas as being an artist, as being a print-on-demand seller. So let's get straight with that. The first business idea or the first way to make money online is obviously the print-on-demand. Now, print-on-demand is huge. It's not just about selling on the third-party website. You can sell it on your own website as well by connecting it with the Printful, Guten or Printify, and you can sell the various print-on-demand products on your own website as well. So that is the first avenue to make money online. Now you guys would be aware of that because I have made a bunch of videos talking about how to make money as a print-on-demand seller. You can check the complete playlist of making money as a print-on-demand on various different websites, the Redbubble, Teepublic, Jazzle, the link in the card section guys above. You can check it out for yourself. Now the second ways to make money online is by selling your own t-shirt designs or selling your illustrations or graphics or designs, whatever you call it, on these websites. It is a Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, Etsy in the form of digital file, and someone can purchase them, download them, and can use for selling, for making their own designs for their own creative projects, or even for selling them as a print-on-demand design. So you can sell your own designs which you are making currently. You can create it in the different formats like the PNG, SVG, EPS, or PDF, JPEG, whatever file format you can choose. You can choose them and you can sell them. So that is the second way. The third way I'm going to talk about is by book publishing business. Now you don't need to go and make a book publishing website and all that. No, you can just get started with the Amazon KDP. Since you are a designer, since you are a print-on-demand seller, so at least you know you have a basic experience of designing. So you can create or design your own books like the low and no content book, the coloring books, the generals, the line generals, the log books, and you can create the book cover and design it by yourself because you are creating the designs already for your print-on-demand business, so you can do it with the KDP as well. So that is the third business. Now these all three streams I have been also doing it in my online space guys. Now to make money online as a designer or an artist is starting with a digital based product business. Now there are so many digital products that you can create and you can sell them on the Etsy, Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, or even on your own website. I have a great example of mine itself. Like I started with my first online business, that is the digital online art magazine, and me and my friend started with this magazine, and we have created this magazine on the 1st March of 2020. So it's almost 1 year and it's going pretty amazing, pretty well. And since we both know how to design, how to illustrate the book, and how to make the magazine, so we are creating that. Of course we are learning it, of course we are growing it. We are taking the feedback from the people who are purchasing the magazine and from the artist and incorporating the new stuff into this. But selling a digital product is really awesome, especially in this time of the pandemic when shipping the product is not that simple and easy. Like it's a little bit complicated. You may get the shipping delays, and there the digital product comes into the place. You can sell the various different products as the digital products, like the video as a digital product based business, the graphic, the illustration, the clip arts, or the different types of trackers, them as a digital planner, digital stickers. There are so many digital products. You can make money online by starting with your own YouTube channel or starting with some podcast or something like that. Being an artist, you can be a creator as well. You can create these YouTube videos like the one you are watching currently right now. You can make a YouTube channel. Of course, it's not easy to monetize it. You don't need to just rely on the Google AdSense. You can also get started with selling the affiliate products. The link is in description box below. And you can also sell the your own products via these YouTube videos. So currently I'm not focusing on the Google AdSense because my channel is not yet monetized, but I'm still making money from this YouTube channel by the affiliates and by the product sales. You can see, guys, that I have a bunch of the links are in my description box. If you're gonna click it and if you're gonna purchase any of these affiliate products, I'm gonna get some percentage commission from that. So this is the one way in which you can monetize your YouTube channel, being the creator, being an artist. So that is the fifth way. The sixth way I'm going to talk about is just the affiliate product. You can get started with the affiliate business either starting with a blog article, or either you can sell these affiliate products on the social media platform like the Instagram, the Facebook, or you can get started with the YouTube channel, the podcast, or the Pinterest. There are different ways in which you can sell the affiliate products. You can market them. The email marketing also comes into the play, and you can make money by whenever someone purchases that particular affiliate product, you're going to get some percentage commission for that particular product. So it's a way to make money online is getting started with your own podcast and connecting with the sponsorship ads, or getting some sort of the ads in between and making money from that. If you guys know that I have made a video talking about me reaching to my 1,000 listeners on my podcast, it's the Art and Chocolate podcast. You can check that video in the comment section above, guys. And that I talk about when did I get started with the podcast and I reached to 1,000. Now it's reaching above that. Like it's reaching almost to 2,000. So you can get started with your own podcast, and you can with the help of the anchor, you can get started with the sponsorship ads in your podcast, and whenever someone going to listen to your podcast, you're gonna get paid by that sponsorship ad. Now the CPM depends on that. Somewhere it's a 10, or somewhere it's a 15 or the $20, depending on your country, your region, your origin, or also depending on the type of the niche you are targeting. So it's an make money online is getting started with your own audiobook. Now narrating an audiobook will actually take some time and some skills to get started with narrating an audiobook and editing that. You can hire a narrator from the ACX if you want to go with the ACX, or Find Away Voices, or Draft to Digital, whatever you are choosing it. You can hire a narrator and you can get them narrated by that, and then you can edit that audiobook, or the narrator itself can audit that, and then you can publish that audiobook. The audiobook market currently is quite underrated. There is not that big competition as in case of the Amazon ebooks, the Kindle books, or the normal paperback, in which the competition is huge. In comparison to that, the audiobook competition is not that huge, and it's a great opportunity for you to hop up on right now until the competition increases in the audiobook section as well. So that's also an amazing way to make money online. Now, try to make money online by selling the courses. Now, I'm not telling you to sell courses at $1,000 or $5,000. You can create a small courses at $50 or $20 and can sell them by combining your expertise, your knowledge in the form of courses, in the form of video tutorials, or in the form of PDFs or extra resources with the course, and you can sell these courses. There are the different marketplaces out there which you can sell. That's the Udemy, Skillshare, the Coursera, and there are so many different platforms on which you can sell your courses, and they're gonna get you the organic sales. They're gonna market your courses, and if not, then you can connect the Thinkific, Kajabi, or these platform, the software with your own website, and can sell it on your own website as well. Now, guys, for the courses, I really want to tell you, if you're creating a courses, please add so much value to the courses so that if someone is purchasing that course, they really see the value you are providing by that courses, and it's a worth of the rate for which you are charging for that courses. So make sure you are providing so much value in the courses so that people are ready to purchase your courses. To make money online as an artist or creative is starting with NFT. Now, I think I have made one of the videos talking about the NFT, what is NFT, and how you can, as an artist or as a designer or print-on-demand seller, can make money online by the NFT. You can check that video out in the comment section above, guys. And if you want more such videos of me talking about the NFT and Bitcoin, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make more videos about that. Now, guys, I'm also new to the NFT, but I'm starting with the NFT soon. I'm still researching and learning a lot about it, and I'm gonna get started with the NFTs because these are the future. Bitcoins and the NFTs, the Ethereum, all these are the future, and it's a great, amazing way to make more money. But you just need to know the things. Like, it's not that simple and easy. You just need to know what it's working, how it's working. You need to have a knowledge about it. You need to do a little bit of the research before getting started with that. But if you want me to make more videos talking about the NFTs, do let me know in the comment section below, guys, because I have made only one video about that. I'm still researching, so I can make more videos based on what I'm learning from my own experience. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna make more such videos if you want me to. The way to make money online that I would be covering in this video. Now obviously there are so many ways to make money online, but this is the last part of the video, is by investing in the stocks or index funds. Now this is also completely new for me as well. I'm getting started with the index funds and stock funds. Now investing is a great way to make money online. Now obviously it's not a rich money making scheme. You need to wait for maybe 5 years, 10 years, 20 years and to get the good return from your stock, from your index funds. Now I'm not a financial advisor, or I'm not an expert in this area. I'm also a complete newbie like you. If you're a newbie, I'm also a newbie like that. So I'm still learning that, but I see that there is an opportunity in these stock funds and index funds along with the Bitcoin and the NFTs. So there are so many applications, like I have heard about a few of them. That is the Robinhood. You can get with the Robinhood where you can get the stocks, and there are so many others also, but I'm still learning guys. So this is also a way to make money online. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want more such videos, and also if you want me to elaborate on what particular topic that I have talked in this video, so I can make a complete video on that particular specific thing. Do let me know in the comment section below guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.